So we took the decision to move our clients from Pastel Partner to Sage One based on the fact that we were able to secure reliable internet. I do want to say that there are many things in Sage One that you can do, but you can't do it without internet. So make sure you've got a reliable internet provider. One of the things that I love about Sage One is analysis codes. Now, imagine being an accounting firm, a business with different branches, then you can set up analysis codes to record transactions to each of these branches. So at the end of the day, you will be able to see what the income and expenses for each branch is. So it is like having your company's data consolidated. Another idea that you can use analysis codes for is to track your sales reps or staff's performance by allocating certain tax invoices to that staff member. So if I use that example as well, I'm going to say staff, and then I will add in Mariska and this person. So now, when you generate tax invoices, you are able to choose a division, a branch, and the person who is responsible for bringing in that income, for example. So I'm going to just do an easy example of preparing a taxation return. And I'm going to say this was done at the Vryheid branch and it was done by me. And I'm going to save that. So now when I go to my reports and I actually want to see what happened in Vryheid this month, I can say I want to see what happened in Vryheid, and it will tell you the services in Vryheid was allocated to that analysis code, and some salary and wages was allocated. And also, say for example, I just wanted to see what Mariska did for the month. You can also run that report separately. Okay, so when you are recording bank transactions, you record the analysis code by pressing on this downward arrow and selecting the division or the staff member and save. Once you've pressed save, it will allocate that transaction to that division or branch. Now imagine you are a farmer and you've got a crop and a cattle division, and you would like to split your expenses to see what is bringing in the majority of the income, or if you are a crop farmer and you basically want to see how much you are gaining from soyas or maize individually, then you can also split it into those sections. If you are a property owner and you want to see what your different properties are bringing in, you can split it into all the names. Let's say 123 Street, 456 Street. Then, when you draw your profit and loss report for each property, you'll be able to see what the income from that property is. I hope this helps you, and if you've got any more questions, please feel free to ask.